Sellers often struggle with managing ad spend and ensuring it translates into profitable sales. Advertising cost of sales helps them to optimize their ad campaign for better result. My name is Muzammil and I am the co-founder of Xflame Solutions. So the common asked question is what is advertising cost of sales and how to calculate it. How we can calculate it? See, it is ad spend divided by ad sales multiplied by 100. For example, if our ad spend is $10 and through that we are generating the sales over $50, so our ACOS would be 20%. See how simply it is to calculate. If you have other question, then feel free to connect with me and I'll be more happy to answer your question. Thank you guys.